So it is January, but suddenly January is colder than what it was in December. Yeah, I don't know, the early morning chill, right? So I guess we have to wait for Shankranti for it to. That's what they say. It's the darkest before dawn, right? So it's the coldest before it turns. Before summer comes with the onset of Shankranti. So, as of yesterday, I attended this numerology seminar, online numerology seminar by Mr. Arvind Sud. Like, I'll type the name on in my, YouTube things, because numerology, yeah, I mean, there is this particular show on Netflix called uh, Code, Cracking the Code, I think. Yeah, Code it's called. And it's all about the fact that the world around us is, in fact, it's been built with mathematical precision, and that's where even something like numerology comes in. So really, yeah, this is just so fascinating. So do check out his he's got his own channel, Arvind Sud. If you type it out, you'll find it on YouTube. And following it, you will understand that numerology is, it can open up a whole new world. So it's already crossed a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.